Your bank account is a target every time you open a browser window to look for home upgrades. There is a specific kind of digital trap designed to lure you in with the promise of a perfect backyard. It looks like a dream at first glance. You see these sleek planters and those deep-seated outdoor sofas that look like they belong in a luxury resort. This is the world of Sheds Box. The website is incredibly clean. It is modern. It feels exactly like every other high-end furniture store you have ever browsed. That is exactly where the danger starts. A professional layout is just code. It is just a template that anyone can buy for a few dollars. When you see a site like this, your brain tells you it is safe. The font is nice. The navigation menu works perfectly. You see dining tables and coffee tables for your garden. It all looks so professional. But you have to look past the aesthetic. You have to look for the actual heartbeat of the company. Where is the physical address? Where is the real phone number? Most people skip the boring stuff. They skip the shipping policies and the refund terms because they want to get to the checkout. That is a massive mistake. Legitimate businesses want you to find them. They want to be reachable. They want to show you their history and their team. If a site hides its origins, you should be sprinting in the opposite direction. You should never be the first person to test a new store with your hard-earned money. You need to hunt for independent reviews. I am not talking about the 5-star testimonials on their own homepage. Those are often scripted. They are written by the people who built the site to build a false sense of security. You need to look at third-party forums. Look for independent review sites. If there is a total silence about a brand online, that is a flashing red light. A lack of feedback is feedback itself. It tells you the store might have popped up overnight. It suggests that nobody has actually received a physical product yet. Think about the risk involved here. You send your credit card details into a digital void. You wait for a sofa that might never arrive. Or maybe a tiny, cheap version shows up instead of the wooden metal you saw in the photos. This is the reality of the modern Wild West of online shopping. You have to be a detective before you are a consumer. Do not let a pretty photo of a garden chair distract you from missing contact details. Verify everything. Check if the images are stolen from other well-known brands. If the price feels too good to be true, it almost certainly is a trap. Stay skeptical. Stay informed. Protect your wallet from the gloss and the glamour of these unverified shops. You are the only line of defense for your own finances. Research is your best weapon in this age of beautiful scams. Never rush into a purchase. Never settle for a site that feels mysterious or hidden. Keep your eyes open for these specific red flags every single time you click a shop link. It is better to wait and be sure than to lose your money to a clever interface. Just because a site looks like it belongs in 2026 does not mean it is a real business. Be smart. Be safe. Do your homework before you buy.